Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X, BX, and UX. Cowl, Sphinx, 180 gear flat, and Crest, Leon, 760 gear needle. Season 2 stuff now. Okay, let's go. Close that up. Let's get it. Ah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Not trying to rip this thing, the box. So I'm trying to keep the box as a display piece. Look at that. Here's this one. Here's the QR code. And here's the thick boy right here. And there's the QR code. Okay. The only newest part is right here. Definitely really good than the tip. Okay. Yeah. There we go. The 160 and 180 in gear flat. There we go. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.